Delicious.
Scratch it! It's a scratch. One kilo. Action! Right. Welcome back to the Kitchen Brothers channel. Today we're gonna do something pretty quick. So I've read and I've seen people complaining about stevia. That's what I use for sweetening my teas and things. People say that stevia tastes like chemicals or something not nice. So the way I'm using it is a bit different because I brew it first, and then I want to show you how we're gonna brew it and what I do to use it and to make it not taste bad. So for the stevia brew, I'm buying 950 gram bags, or 700. This one is 750. I usually try to buy like a kilogram or around kilogram, so I can use a third of it. So today we're gonna use 300 grams from this bag. So I've got my scale, got my bowl. I'm gonna put about 300 grams in here. A lot. So that's 260 grams. I'm gonna get another bowl because that one's too small. And that I'm gonna use for another part. Now we're gonna put about 4 liters or 4.5 liters of cold water in the pan. That's about 4.5 liters. And we're gonna boil the water first. I'm gonna use a lid because it makes the water boil faster. Right now that our water is boiling, you can see. Out. Well, I can turn off the fire so it doesn't boil out. Slowly adding the whole stevia. And the water. You can use bigger pan or smaller amounts. So 4.5 liters for 300 grams. If you can use, you can scale it down. Let's say 200 grams for 3 liters of water. Okay, so now that's everything's there. Just cover it up. Okay, we don't boil it anymore. We just put it aside and let it brew. So that will stay there for about a day. So next day, when it's cool, when it's all brewed, we'll continue.
24 hours later.
Here we are next day, and today now we're gonna do our stevia. So it's brewed now. It's very dark.
Very sweet.
And very, very sweet. So what we'll do is you can use coffee filter or a cloth or like a thick cloth or something like that. I tried microfiber and it does the job, but it doesn't filter the very fine dust that's still from stevia leaves. So this one is not dirty, it's clean, but I already used it several times. So basically what we do is put it over a container. So we need either rubber bands over or someone,
I'm gonna hold it.
like the helper, that will hold it. So then we just start pouring it down. It's Coca-Cola color. There we go. It needs to be slow so it doesn't splash everywhere. Yeah. And just need to make sure it doesn't drop. So I think the best if you hold it on these sides where it's less. Yeah, that's why it's the best to have a rubber band, or if you have a smaller container with a filter that holds that would be fine. So once it's filtered a little bit, so that's what we got. Basically a very, 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 very sweet liquid, to the point where it's bitter and sweet. So I'll pour it down just for you to see. It's just as dark as coffee or Coca-Cola. Is it Coca-Cola? But it's not even close.
There was Coca-Cola, this is stevia.
Stevia, but it was mixed with sugar.
Yeah.
Sometimes what I do is when there's a little bit of residue, you can use a spoon to move it around so it filters out the rest. Okay. Once the liquid that we can pour is done, what we can do is take our leaves, just hold the cloth, yeah? Oh, okay, and then we can squeeze it out. It still holds the juice, a lot of it. So what I do with the leaves, so I have a composter with California worms, and I just give it to them. They love it. It's sweet. Everyone loves sweet things. Yep. Let's just take that. Try. You want to try? Squeeze it hard. There we go. Next thing I'm doing is I'm gonna take ice cube rubber or silicone molds. I'm going to take some of the stevia and just pour it a little bit. So, this stevia liquid will not last very long. Now, the amount that I have is quite substantial. It will last in the freezer though. In the freezer I can keep it for about 5-6 months. And the amount that I made, along with the pot and the glass here, will last me for about 3 to 4 months. Taking into consideration that I drink 1 liter mugs of tea a day, and then I use about 3 of those or 4, it depends on how of a sweet tooth I have at the day. So it's not sugar, but it sweetens the tea as good. And it doesn't taste bad, it tastes really actually good. Now that our stevia is frozen, you see I didn't do a very good job, but it doesn't matter. Nice. Alright, so now I'm gonna take them out. Fine. And put them in the bowl. You can put them in the bowl or a container, whichever is better. I put them in the plastic containers. It makes a Coca-Cola stain. It's very sweet, but we'll wash it. That's how it looks. And I usually use about 3 or 4 It depends on size. These are too big. I probably used 4 like this for a liter, 1 liter of tea. Thank you all for watching. We really hope you enjoyed the video and give brewing stevia a go. As always, we appreciate every comment, like and subscription on all our videos. We hope to see you in the next one where we will bake an apple cake. Bye.